Hi everyone, so it's been 6 months on Patreon, and in this video I just want to walk you through what we've made so far and what kind of effects we've created over those 6 months. So that's just a trail that we've made recently. I think that was a June content. Another one, I think this was somewhere in the beginning, is just a buff spell for the character. We've made work on some decals, so I'm hoping people understand a little bit more about the decals and some blueprint work as well. We've made a shield, so there was a couple sections in Houdini, and basically how to create this mesh procedural way in Houdini. We made some muzzle flashes, I think that's the latest one. Some fire as well. And yeah, just want to, show you what we've been doing over those 6 months. So I'm looking forward to another 6 months. Hopefully we're gonna start diving into a bit more complex effects, maybe definitely some more Houdini stuff, and a lot more Niagara. I have some planned for some courses as well. Obviously those courses will be either available for my patron for free, or there will be like a at least 30% discount for some tiers on my for my patrons. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoy the content so far. I hope you learn a lot of new tips and tricks when it comes to VFX, and I hope you will continue to enjoy this journey with me. And yeah, big thank you, massive thank you actually. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm looking forward to the next 6 months with you guys. Thanks.